Good morning. It is January the 22nd, 2020. It is 6:48. This earthquake took place 40 minutes ago. Good morning, Kimberly. Hope you're doing well, sweetie. USGS sent out a tweet saying there was a 5.6 near the east coast of Kamchatka. They've got it at 34 miles in depth. Good morning, Jeffrey. I'll read the rest of it here. I just wanted you to see it. All right. They've got it 101 miles. Hang on. 101 miles south-southwest of UTS Kamchatka Staryy, Staryyy, at 34 miles in depth. Good morning, Pete. All right. Now, EMSC had it at a 5.7, and I'll tell you why here in a second. They now have it at a 5.6. They've got it 37 miles in depth. All right. They got it near the east coast of Kamchatka. All right. But they've got it 135 miles southeast of ESSO Russia Federation. There's no tsunami warning associated with this earthquake. Okay. Now, GFC, let me get to them. Please tell me I left that up. Naturally not. Okay, so let me go to GFC. By the way, the closest volcano to this earthquake is Green Normal Dormant. It was on land, okay? It's 31 miles away. Let me pull up GFC for you. Now, GFC has got this earthquake as a 5.5. And they have got it confirmed. Okay? They've got it at 61 kilometers, 37.2, somewhere in the neighborhood. I haven't calculated it all the way, but I will. I promise. So they've got it at, well, let me do it now. My mind is thinking about it. EMSC, and that's clear. And that is 61, 37.9 miles in depth. All right. 37.9. All right. Now, Australia's also got it. I'm going to attempt it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but we're going to attempt it. We'll give it one shot. All right. I can't enlarge it. I know that. You know that. But let me show you where it is on the map. You see the red dot? This is the Australia map. The red dot is the 5.7 they said. Okay. Morning, Dawn. Now we're going to go ahead and click on it. And it says near the east coast of Kamchatka. They've got it at a 5.7. That is where EMSC got the 5.7. All right. EMSC had it at a 5.7 until USGS sent out the tweet and posted. They've got it at 75 miles, so it's 75 kilometers, so it's 46.6 miles away. This will also be in the description box. The only thing I have not looked up right now, and we're going to do that, is disaster alert. Then I'll give you more details. This is still a prelim. This happened 40 minutes ago. I had to go get all earthquake links. All right, so let me pull this up. And there she sits. And I will read it to you. I'm going to sneeze. I don't want to do it. Sorry. An earthquake of a magnitude 5.6 at a depth of 34.2 miles has occurred 162 kilometers southwest of UST-Kamchatski Staryy, Staryyy, Russia, as reported by the National Earthquake Information Center, the NEIC. Sorry. This is a prelim. and so is the tweet, and so is everything else. Copy. The only one that has confirmed this earthquake, thank you, needed that. The only one that has not confirmed this earthquake is USGS and EMSC. They have not confirmed it. The only one that did was GFC, the Germany Earthquake Center. So let me post this into the notes. Let me find my notes. There we go. Oh. Disaster alert. And I found this great little notepad on in the Play Store. You can go on and on and on it. You just got to be careful if you're using it to post notes onto YouTube because it only takes so much. All right, so disaster alert. It's there. EMSC 5.7, 5.6, USGS tweet. Just making sure, guys. USGS tweet, USGS webpage, Australia, BMKG. Okay, the estimated release of power for this one, all right, was 3,788 tons of TNT, and equivalent to 0.2 atomic bombs going off. Hey, Carlos, let's see what you're saying here. How are you, sweetie? Kimberly, Dawn. Okay, I've said hi. Hi, Pete. I did say hi to you. What I'm going to do is copy these right now. All right. And then we're going to close all apps and go right back to USGS and EMSC. All right. Close, 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 close. Close, close, close. I had 7 apps open getting this earthquake information. All right, we're going to open USGS one more time. There she sets. 5.6. 101 miles south-southwest of UST-Kamchatsk. And then the next word would be STARYY, Russia. Now, like I said before, USGS and EMSC, they don't have it in the same direction, in the same location. So let me go ahead and give you EMSC also. It gets confusing sometimes because I have to check the coordinates to make sure it's the same earthquake and not a different one. EMSC has got it at a 5.6. They've got it near the east coast of Kamchatka. They've got it at 60 kilometers, which is 37.2 miles in depth. They've got it 134 miles southeast of ESSO, Russia Federation. All right. I don't know if the rest of you guys check these coordinates or not, but I do to make sure it's the same one. The closest volcano to this earthquake was 31 miles. It was green, it was normal, it was dormant. Let's go take a look at this volcano, where it is, close to this earthquake. And we're going there now. All right. It's got the tag, the 5.6 on there. All right. It is there. I'm going to take it off so you can see the volcanoes. I want to know how they can tell exactly which one it is. All right. The circle in the middle is the earthquake. I guess they just picked one volcano because look at how close they all are to that earthquake. All right. Now we're going to shrink it down. I want to see all the earthquakes, all the volcanoes on there. Wow. Okay, guys, take a look. The big circle is the earthquake. This is your earthquake. Look at these. And it goes all the way up and down. I just moved the screen. That is your earthquake. Look at all these. It's amazing, isn't it? They're all sitting in a line, every one of them. And that is all on the Ring of Fire. Definitely all in the ring of fire. All right, guys, that's what we have. Let me go ahead and post this random volcano. Well, I know they probably went out there and measured. Who knows? I don't know. I just sometimes wonder because they had an earthquake. Hey, Nancy, they had an earthquake. They said it was a green, normal dormant volcano close to it, and it wasn't. It was solid red, and I showed that to you. I don't know, it's been a while back, but I showed that to you. Let me go to my page. We're going to go ahead and post these. Going to edit. Edit, please. And go into here. All right, disaster alert, EMSC 5.7, 5.6, USGS, WEBPAGE, USGS tweet, Australia, GFC, volcano. Oh, hang on, I forgot to put the volcano into. I'm glad I double checked these. Volcano is 31 miles. 31 miles away. Color code green. Normal, dormant. All right, all's there. We got to do the we got to do the YouTube thing, so hang on one second. Educational purposes only, adults only. And post. All right, I'm going out of YouTube right now. Once again, USGS says there was a 5.6 near the east coast of Kamchatka, 101 miles south-southwest of UST Kamchatska Staryy, Staryy at 34 miles in depth. The EMSC has got it near the east coast of Kamchatka. They've got it. They had it at a 5.7, upgraded it to a downgraded it to a 5.6 at 37 miles in depth. And they've got it 134 miles south of ESSO, Russia Federation. All right. Hey, that's fine. Don't take my word for it. I always show you. I always give you proof. All right. Hey, I always give you proof. Always. I don't say something and not prove it. All right. I always prove it with links or show you the map or whatever. I do that for you. You guys deserve the truth. So let me say hello to everybody, and then I'm going to go ahead and let you go. Kimberly, I did say hi to you. Jeffrey, I said hi. Pete, I did say hi to you too, sweetie. Dawn, you're awesome too. Carlos, I watched your video the other night just before I went to bed. I should have posted something, but I didn't. Bless you too. That's it. Everybody I say hi to, everybody I said hi to. You guys are totally awesome. You are the best family in the world. I don't care. I'll stand by that 100%. Sending much love. 2 thumbs up. God bless. Be safe. I'll be back with the morning report. That means I've got, and Alaska's been getting hit pretty good with some earthquakes. So I got to get those up. And I've got a total of 22, 23, 24 earthquakes to go through and see if Alaska's still being hit. All right? You guys are awesome. Thanks, Pete. Thanks, Dawn. I'll be back shortly with the morning report, but I want a cup of coffee first. And this time, I'm going to get my cup of coffee. Have a great one. Bye-bye. Sending much love.